everyone, this is Monica Brown from the Monica the Mom Dog channel. My 2-year-old is sleeping right on the other side of this wall from where I am, and so I'm trying to be a little bit quiet, but I wanted to show you what the image overlay function in the retouch menu on my my D750 does. And I don't use it very often, but this was a fun one, and so I was just going to share it with you. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel, and of course, if you turn on notifications, you can be my virtual best friend. That would make me really happy. But anyway, I took this image, and I took this image, and in camera, in the retouch menu, there's an image overlay option. And you just choose the two photos from the photos that you've already taken, and it blends them together into something that looks like this. So they call it an image overlay. You might call it a double exposure in camera, or you know, whatever. But this is how that's how I made this photo. I'm going to go ahead and edit it for you really quick. I'm going to straighten it out. I'm looking at this line right here from the window and just trying to get it straight. And then when I edited this photo originally, I used presets from Unraveled. I used the Rad Pack. I have a version of Rad 4. It's this updated green one. I mean, I call it Rad 4 updated green. I don't even remember what all adjustments I made to this preset, but this is the one that I used. It's a little bright. Probably came down on the exposure a little bit, bring up the shadows there so that right side of the image is not so dark. I feel like this could use a little clarity, just a little bit, not a ton. I mean, and I like that. Bring the whites down a little bit. I just want it to seem a little bit more moody and not so bright. I could even maybe mess. Nah, I'm gonna leave the exposure up there. Not the exposure, the saturation. The highlights are already out. I wouldn't mind them being down a little bit more, but I like it. That is going to be my edit for this photo. So super simple, not a whole lot to do, just a few things. And that there is an image overlay in camera and then edited in Lightroom with the Rad Pack from Unraveled. Thanks for being here. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye.